Hello, viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today, I will discuss the topic the difference between data and information. Data definitions. Data is simply raw facts and figures, but it's the interpretation and analysis of the data that turns it into valuable information. For example, the number of students in a class, the average temperature in a city, the results of medical test, the images from a security camera, the text of a book. It's an examples of the data. Information. Information is the valuable knowledge we gain from interpreting and analyzing data, turning it into actionable insights. For example, the average class size in a school, the climate of a city, the diagnosis of a patient, the identity of a criminal, the plot of the story. It's the examples of the information. Information can be presented in many different ways, such as text, numbers, tables, charts, graphs, images, videos, etc. The relationship between data and information. Data refers to raw facts and figures, while information is the processed data that is organized, meaningful, and useful for decision making. Characteristics of data consists of unprocessed raw facts and figures, can be in any format such as numbers, text, images, or audio. Needs to be processed to become meaningful information. Characteristics of information. Information is processed data that has meaning within a context. Information is relevant, timely, accurate, and complete. Information is communicated to a recipient who can use it to make decision or take action. Collecting and processing data. Data refers to raw facts and figures, while information is data that has been processed and organized to provide context, meaning, and value. Converting data into information. Data is raw, unorganized facts. Information is data that has been organized, analyzed, and presented in a meaningful context. Thank you for listening, and I hope this presentation helped clarify the difference between data and information. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.